excited?
We're getting ready for Veronica's first cereal. She looks a little nervous.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
She's
You can't eat it? Do you want more? You can spit that out? Is it good, Veronica? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Do you want more? You haven't swallowed any of it. I don't want to give you more. Ah.
Maybe do the pacifier trick?
Not gonna eat it.